First, prepare a table or place for ironing. Plug the iron into the extension board. Set the ironing temperature according to the material of the clothes to be ironed. Rub the iron against the board to find out whether the temperature is hot or not. Spray lubricant on the clothes to be ironed. Then iron the clothes evenly until they don't wrinkle. Place the iron on the iron pad after finishing ironing. Lower the iron temperature to min. After that, unplug the iron. Ta-ra, the clothes have been ironed. The end.